Hello creative Tartanites, and welcome to day 20 of 'Tis the Season to Be Jolly journaling. Today's prompt is, if 2018 was a book, what would its title be? So in other words, looking at your whole year as if you were to write a book about it, what would its title be? Now you may have noticed that all the prompts so far have really been about reflecting on this year and thinking about some of the positive things that have happened. Now I realise that, life is life and sometimes negative things happen. But sometimes it's about looking at what the positives are out of that negative event. And so if you were to look at your life on the whole as a year and you were to write a book about it, what would the title be? I know I'm going to have fun thinking about this. So how am I going to document that on this page? Well, again, this is going to be another very simple, very easy, very quick, please don't blink because you'll miss it type videos. I am going to decorate the page and create an area, and I'm drawing a circle because I already have the idea of a wreath here, and within that wreath I am going to put my title, and then perhaps I might do some journaling around about my wreath. I'm not going to put my title in today because I haven't thought of my title yet, and these videos are really about giving you ideas on how to decorate and embellish, and really the foundation of the page. What you do with that is up to you. So let's get started. I have here some of my favourite stamps. I love these festive fir cones, and I think this would make a really good wreath, so I'm going to use this. Now I have this, and I'm using this really as a guide. I'm thinking I might put the circle here, and I'm just going to lightly draw in a guideline, and this is to allow me to get a reasonably good circle. Now I don't think that it's particularly showing up well on the camera, but trust me, it's there and it will help. So I'm going to start with the smallest ones and put them onto the really small acrylic cylinder. Right, I have picked up some coloured inks. I think we will start with the greens. So I've got 3 different colours of green, and I think I'll start with the lightest colour. And I'm thinking probably this stamp here. Now this is the bamboo. And then I am just going to place this randomly around the edge like so. Then I'm going to get the evergreen, and I'm going to use this one. And I'm going to start placing these ones around the edge like so. There we go. So you can see that we're starting to get a bit of a circle. So now I'm going to change to this green, and I'm going to put the holly leaves all the way around. Now, some of the areas I'm putting two because traditionally you would usually see the two. And I think I'll probably go back in with the bamboo. Wrong one. There we go. Just to fill that out just a little bit more. Oh. So it can be seen a little bit better. Like so. And then again I'll go back in with the evergreen, and again just re-establish some of these. And I don't think there's going to be any need to re-establish the holly leaves. I think they're quite standoutish enough. And then I'm going to use, I think I'll use the bronze for the big fir cones, and I'm going to place these reasonably even around the wreath, like so. And then I'm going to use the bark and put in some of smaller pine cones. like so. And I think that's it. There is our Christmas, or for me, Christmas wreath. You can do whatever you want to create your space. And in here is where I will place my title. One last thing that I think this needs, and I think I'll go with the pinky colour, and that is our little Christmas flower. So I'm going to dot that randomly around the wreath. Now there's one final thing that I haven't put on yet, and I'm going to try, actually I'm not going to try red, I'm going to try this very kind of purpley colour, and that is to put the ribbon at the bottom. Oh, and we're squint, but never mind. I'm sure that is perfectly okay. One final touch, I am going to use the Pigma Micron pen that I have. It's archival ink, and this is 05. And I'm just going to draw in a couple of lines to indicate that it is actually hung. And I'll maybe just break that up and make it look like it's actually going through the wreath. And there we have it. That is my decorated journal page for day 20. So what's the title of your book for 2018? So thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Be kind to yourself. Think kind thoughts. You wouldn't say nasty things to other people, so why say them to yourself? Look after your mental well-being, because the chances are nobody else will. I'll see you all again tomorrow. Bye for now.